This is the orange list. Number 1, somebody. Will somebody please sharpen my pencil? Number 2 is anyone. I don't think anyone ordered the tuna salad sandwich. Number 3 is something. There's something crawling under my bed. Number 4 is outside. Let's go play outside on the playground. Number 5 is sometime. Sometime I will tell you the funny story. Number 6 is sideways. We had to walk sideways to get past the construction. Number 7 is nothing. I looked inside my locker, but nothing was there. Number 8 is myself. I can tie my shoes all by myself. Number 9 is himself. He walked home all by himself. Number 10 is without. Ooh, it would be too crunchy to eat my cereal without milk. Number 11 is themselves. The class graded themselves after completing the math test. Number 12 is anything. Is there anything that you need? Is there anything I can get you? Number 13 is yourself. You need to sharpen your pencil by yourself. Number 14 is somewhere. I would like to have gone somewhere over spring break. Number 15 is somehow. Somehow I've got to figure out how to fix this broken door. Number 16 is checkout. Ms. Manick does book checkout at the end of library time. Number 17 is everything. Please take everything off the top of your desk. Number 18 is inside. We had to stay inside the school during lunch recess because it was raining. Number 19 is everyone, because everyone stayed quiet. Our classroom was the quietest one in the hallway. Number 20 is beside. I keep a glass of water beside my bed. Number 21 is throughout. There are friendly people found throughout homeschool. Number 22 is herself. She was able to pick up the baby all by herself. Number 23 is someone. Can someone turn off the lights so we can watch Mystery Doug? Number 24 is itself. The dog was able to slip the collar off all by itself.